We are getting ready for our trip to the Outer Banks with the rescue wagon, and you know that we have had some stuff welded on to hold the different propane tanks, and the propane tanks look okay, but they're gray or rusty. So what I'm going to try to do today is just scuff it up real quick with a wire brush, take some of the rust off, and paint it a red color. So what I'm going to try to do is match it so it looks a little bit better. I'm not doing a long drawn out process. I just want to scuff it up real quick, tape off the very top so I don't get paint on the connection there, but then just paint it real quick and see if that works out well. The only downfall to that is once it's red, then I'll probably have to have it refilled. Apparently you can't paint these too dark of a color, but I'm assuming that red, because the gas cans are red, will work. If not, I may find out that somebody won't refill it for me, and if that's the case, then I'll just paint it back gray again. But I'm just going to rough this up with a wire brush on a grinder real quick and just hit it real lightly and then hit it with some red paint. All right, so I'm going to hit this with the wire brush. Okay, so just roughed it up with the wire brush pretty good, got most of the rust off of it. I'm going to tape off the top, and then we're going to hit it with some spray paint. There's a little bit of a breeze outside, so I've rigged up this little contraption here with cardboard to keep the overspray from going near the house or the other cars. And so I'm going to try to hit this. I'm going to hit the bottom first, and then I'll kind of work my way up. Just going to use a little light back and forth. So these tanks turned out pretty good. I actually ended up doing another one as well. I am going to place the first tank in here. Once this is dried, what I've done is I've gone back and I've touched up this holder here to make sure that there was no rust on it. And just to show you, I've got two tanks. So the first tank will go here, and I'll show you a little better. So the first tank's going to go onto this holder, which goes with the outdoor shower and water pump. The second tank is for the griddle, which will actually mount back here. So the reason we decided to do them red is to match the gas cans that are already here. The gasoline can. Doing things yourself allows you to be free.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. You can also follow us on Instagram at BeFreeBensonDIY and check out our adventures on our YouTube channel, Be Free Benson Adventure.